नमस्ते, खुशी रहो बिटियाएं। Myself JVN Dr. Archana Verma, Assistant Professor in Department of Homeopathic Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. In previous lecture, I will be discuss the abscess. Now will be continuous the classification of abscess. In previous session, discuss the pyogenic and pyemic abscess. Now today we are starting the cold abscess. Now introduction of cold abscess. An abscess is a collection of pus within the body. It is cold because it is not accompanied by the classical sign of inflammation. So in this abscess, no sign of inflammation, so called cold abscess. Next, almost always sequel of tubercular infection anywhere in the body, commonly in the lymph nodes and bone. Now, pathogenesis of cold abscess. In pathogenesis formed by collection of products of liquefaction and reactive exudation, composed of mainly serum, leukocytes, caseous material, bone debris, and tubercular bacilli. Next, tracks away along neighboring vessels and nerve to reach surface, may burst to form sinus. Now, composition of cold abscess, mostly composed of cold abscess. First, serum, leukocytes, caseous material, bone debris, and tuberculous bacilli. Now, most common site of cold abscess, commonly ate neck and axilla. Next, groin maybe cold abscess develop in groin region, back, side of chest. There are sequelae of tubercular infection of spine, ribs, and posterior mediastinal group of lymph nodes. Now come to clinical feature of cold abscess. First, pale swelling, insidious onset, soft and smooth mass, and the cyst and consistency of cyst is cystic consistency, flatulation present, sleep negative, no transillumination. Now come to differential diagnosis of cold abscess. How to differentiate to cold abscess and confirm to diagnose of that is cold abscess. First, pyogenic abscess. In pyogenic abscess, form the all inflammatory symptoms, but in cold abscess, no sign of inflammation is present. Next, lipoma, cyst, soft tumor. Now come to treatment. In cold abscess, first anti-tubercular drugs may be prescribed, aspiration and surgical management. Some anti-tubercular drugs can be given the patient, and drugs doses and what the side effect of drugs may be shown in this slide. Now come to surgical treatment of abscess, cold abscess. First, open drain Drainage may be performed if aspiration failed to clear it. Drainage using non-depending incisor, later closure of wound without placing a drain, correcting underlying bone lesion defect. Thank you so much.